Hey everybody, and welcome back to Twisted Slippers Breakers. We are back with the Topps 2020 Baseball Series 1. I guess it'd be a hobby pack. And me and my boy Mr. W here are ready to jump in and rip this one open. This pack here has seven packs of cards. And that totaling 99 cards per box. And this one has the ability to get the retrospective RC medallion card. We will find one of those in here. But without too much waiting, we're going to jump in here. Here, cut that open nice and slowly.
Won't work.
It'll work. We didn't have a better knife to use. Unfortunately, we're going to stuck to our steak knife here. Don't want to cut.
I'm going to cut the box.
All right, here. Yep, there you go, right in the edge. Wash your fingers. All right, right here. Right
okay.
there. There we go. Let's brick it right in there. Okay. Let's get ourselves into this box here. Alright, so while we're waiting for the box to be opened, comment down below what do you think we're going to get? What's the best card you've gotten so far? As well as what cards are you hoping to get eventually with this set? Alright, go open up the box, buddy. Alright, let's show off. Oh, there we go. We got our blue foil in there. We'll have to put that aside. We'll open up that last. Alright, so keep that there. Put this sucker off to the side.
You're thick.
Nice and thick. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 packs there, plus our exclusive rookie card retrospective RC logo. Watch the camera there, buddy. If you go on your knees, go right ahead. That way you don't have to worry about knocking the camera a little bit. Okay, one by one, we're going to jump in and rip open these packs. Put this off to the side here.
Pack number 1.
Pack number 1, let's see what we get. Alright, if we do find any doubles that we've already got from other breaks and other pulls that we've done ourselves, we will put those up on our eBay page. The link for that is down in the comments. Alright, let's slowly go through them. Put any good cards off to the side. That way we'll get them all sleeved
Adam
up.
Frazier, Pittsburgh Pirates. I am thinking hockey, not baseball. Tommy Edman, Future Stars. Josh Pegley. Blake Parker. Looks like a
Manny being Manny.
team card. Looks to be sure. Daniel Megadon. Sorry if I pronounce any mispronunciated last names and first names. David Fletcher. Anthony K. Looks like we got a rookie card. We got a rookie card.
Alright, what do we get?
But it's in the bottom.
Anthony K. Alright.
Alex Verdugo.
Verdugo. What do we got here? Nice little parallel insert there. Hoskins, The Amazing Race. What's it say on the back? The Amazing Reese. First base. All right, that's cool. Put that off to the side there.
Oh, we
got a reflector. A refractor, shall I say. Very cool looking card. Awesome. Okay. It's
Mike Touchman.
Oh, another insert. Those are pretty cool looking. Nice vintage cards, I believe. Tampa Bay. Okay.
Rookie card.
Well, looking for a sign. Houston Astros.
Jose Urquidy. No idea. Sorry. And George Springer from the Houston Astros. Okay, first pack out of 6, 7, 8.
Okay. I'm gonna start popping these into some sleeves. You just keep going there, buddy.
Pack number 2.
All right. So what do you think so far? We got some good cards.
We got some good cards. We got that one good card, the Hoskins.
The Hoskins insert is
first-
pretty cool.
The insert and the rainbow one.
Very cool.
Tyler Glasnow.
Yeah.
Yushi Kuchi? I don't know.
No, it's okay.
It's hard for, like,
Try to pronounce. It's all good.
Atlanta Braves, Mike Soroka? Jameson Talon. St. Louis pitcher Andrew Miller. Boston Red Sox team card. Philadelphia Flyers team card. Brandon McKay. We got a rookie card. Says in the bottom. Houston Astros Jake Marcinick.
Marasnik. Uh-oh.
I dropped the
Dropping
card.
the cards.
Another rookie card. Patrick Sandoval.
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 Is he related to Pablo Sandoval?
1960s. Cards best. Teams Baltimore Oilers. Haven't said that.
Orioles.
I haven't said that one in so long.
Baltimore Orioles. All right,
Another-
Decades Best.
What is it?
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Nola from the Philadelphia Flyers.
Phillies. It's not hockey, buddy. It's all
Why
good.
am I thinking of hockey right now?
Because we're in hockey playoffs right now for your own team.
Milwaukee Brewers. Chase Anderson
All right.
and Christian Stewart from the Detroit Tigers.
Very cool. All right. We're doing okay. We got a few rookies, a few inserts. I like that. All right. If you see any cards that you really want for your own personal collection, hit me up in the comments or click down into the Instagram link that we have there and send me a DM. Maybe we can make it a deal.
Oh, we got Pete Alonso. Pete Alonso League Leaders.
Very cool. All right.
Arizona Diamondbacks. Merrill Kelly.
Merrill Kelly.
Toronto Blue Jays Ken Gillis.
Nice. Ken Giles.
Yep.
It's all right, buddy. You're learning still.
Jackie Bradley Jr.
Oh, very nice. That's a cool reach out there.
Ian Kendi. No idea. Kennedy. I got two there. Max Kepler.
That's a cool looking card. Like the colors in it.
Roman Quinn. Alex Colomon.
Colm. Yep.
Joey. Nope. Jenner.
Nope, not gonna try that one either. All right, moving on. Moving on.
World Series, Washington Nationals, Anthony Rendon.
That's cool.
World Series highlights.
Awesome.
Javier Baez.
Oh, another cool insert.
Oh, we got another Javier Baez,
Oh,
but the
very nice.
regular one.
Got the base on that one. Okay.
And Michael Pineda. Right.
Yep.
Chicago Black.
Nope.
I almost said the Blackhawks.
You did, almost.
White. I'm saying
Chicago White Sox.
White
There you
Sox,
go.
not
You
White
got
Hawks or Blackhawks. Chicago White Sox.
There you go. Yay!
Nope, not trying.
Not trying on that one, eh? Lurie Garcia.
Nicky Lopez.
Okay.
Sean
Doolittle.
Doolittle.
Dr. Doolittle.
Brandon Belt.
Ah, yeah, my boy, Brandon Belt.
Josh Van Meter. Meter. John Lester. Charlie Cleverson. Luke Jackson. Mike Touchman.
Tuckman. I believe we just got our double, so that one will more than likely show up on our eBay page. Again, the link will
think
be
we got
in the
it.
description. I think we already got him.
Oh, right there. I see it. But it is
that's
the
why.
relics.
That's the one, and there's the base.
The base and the relic.
There you go. The refractor.
Relic. The Red Sox, known as now the Los Angeles Dodgers, David Price.
That's right. That's right.
Along with Mookie Betts, what we do not have. Oh. We have the Tigers, DH Michael Cabrera. The 35.
35th anniversary.
35th anniversary, 1985 to 2020.
Awesome. It's a cool insert.
We got another one
No numbers on it. Oh, another one
from
of
Baltimore
those.
Oilers.
Very nice.
Goes with these.
Orioles.
Oilers, I say Oilers, but it's Edmonton Oilers.
Don't worry. Hockey season's almost over. Prominent
Mike
baseball.
Fiers. I said that wrong.
It's okay, man. We're trying. We're all learning here.
David Peralta. And that is the last one of that pack.
All right, so what do we got? 4 down?
I think so. We have 4. Oops. Push the camera
We
again.
got 3 more packs there, plus the 4th one.
Yep. On top.
Oops. Oh, well. We'll just stay there.
Plus this one,
Yep,
which we
plus you got
open
that.
last.
That's right.
One inclusive rookie card.
Okay. What's your favorite so far?
My favorite so far would probably be that one.
The Hoskins one?
Yeah, the
We're liking the Hoskins one, eh? All right, let's get ourselves some autos. Let's get an auto.
Mike. I wanna try. Oh,
Clevenger. That's actually a cool
Billy
looking card.
Hamilton.
Okay.
Used to play for the Kansas City Royals and the Cincinnati Reds. Hansel Robles.
Hansel Rubbles.
Rookie card, the Houston. Nope.
Rogelio Armenteros.
Looks like a walk-off card. Matt Olson.
Olsen.
Dominic Smith. Sandy, oh, not trying to last name. Francisco Lindor. We got another. Jose Barrios. And we got another Hoskins card.
Oh, it's different from the one we got earlier, but it's another
We have a home run derby, JD Martinez.
one. Very cool. Now that's the one where we can enter in a code, right? On the back?
Right on the back, we do scratch this off. And it's the home run derby card that if, say that he hits JD Martinez hits a home run on
A certain date and a certain
May
time.
6th of 2020. So if you get a home run on May 6th, 2020, you would get a prize.
All right, we'll hold on to that one.
Another relic rookie card.
Very nice. What do you got, buddy?
Cesar Hernandez. Might have said that wrong. Anthony Sandlinder.
All right, what we
And that
got?
was the last one.
2 more to go.
2 more plus the exclusive. Come on, give us some more good cards. But we have a ton right
We're
here.
doing good. We're doing good. I'm not disappointed. Let's just say that.
Let's go with
Throw
this one.
some more of these down there. I'm doing pretty good here.
Right.
Pull that one out.
Andrew Bennington. Hector Neres. Another relic of the Tampa Bay.
All right, very nice.
2020 next rookie card.
Ooh, those are cool inserts.
Gavin Lukes. AJ Pucks rookie card. Andrew Henley. There's no L.
Heaney.
Bobby Bradley. Daniel Murphy.
I always like the Colorado Rockies cards. I don't know. It's the purple.
Washington Nationals team card.
Very nice.
Looks like we have Eaton in there with them. Houston Astros team card. Yadier Molina. League leaders. Hyun-Jin Ryu.
That's Ryu. He's now with the Toronto Blue Jays.
For a lot of money.
Gotta fix that pitching.
Dan. Can't pronounce it like that.
It's okay.
And Matt Thias.
That was Vogelbach. Dan Vogelbach. All right, last of the packs there.
Just to let you know, we have all of this. Plus all of that.
We'll show those off at the end
And
for
that.
sure.
Plus that exclusive pack.
All right.
Alright, last pack until the exclusive.
I like these cards. They're like portraits.
Let's go back. Oh, James Paxton, he hit a no-hitter plus shutout against the Toronto Blue Jays when he was facing Seattle. When he was in Seattle.
There you go. Nice little tidbit of information there.
Dylan Chase. Cease. Omar Naez. Naivas. Toronto Blue Jays. Reese McGuire. There's a lot of odd names now in the Toronto Blue Jays.
Yep, it's not the team it was.
Like, there's no Jose, there's no Josh. There's no... Wait, Justin's gone as well.
They're all gone now, yeah.
Marcus.
Justin's out too.
Roberto Perez. Freddie Peralta.
Alright, so while we're going here, let us know what card do you think's the best
Logan
so far.
Allen.
Any guesses on what rookie we'll get?
Brian Abreu.
A lot of Houston Astros.
Miguel Cabrera.
Ooh, Miggy.
Tyler Alexander. Oh, this is way different than the ones we have.
Alright, what do you got? Ooh.
Manny Machado.
I like that one, and I'm glad it's Manny. That's a nice card. Look at that. Oh,
And Josh Bell.
oh nice.
I flipped one.
You did. Look at that card. It's like a metallic finish to it. That's very nice.
No, it's not. Oh, it is Pete Alonso. Pete Alonso. What does that say? It's the golden bucket thingy.
It's the rookie achievement, I believe, or something like top rookie or something.
Just letting you know, Pete Alonso is the Topps logo of this packs.
What do you mean? Oh, you mean he's the face.
These ones.
He's the face.
And Kyle Schwarber. The Chicago Cubs.
All right.
So
well, I really wanted a Bo Bichette or a Gav or a
hey, you never know.
Maybe he's sitting in there, right? I really wanted that, but let's get in there. Maybe it's Jose Altuve. I'll take that as well. What else is a possibility here? What are you thinking? We got Roger Clemens. Oh, we got Miggy, Buster Posey, Kyle Ripken, Chipper Jones. Oh, Christian Yelich.
Okay, here we go.
Let's go. I'm guessing it's a Houston Astros.
I'm guessing a National.
You thinking Nationals?
No.
All right, what are we getting?
Hang on.
What are we getting?
Let's not see.
Let's show the world. What do we got?
Congratulations, Uri Banks.
Ooh, I like that. That's some old school Cubbies. I like that. Ernie Banks, Chicago Cubs. Look at that. That is so cool. That is a nice, nice
autoed.
card. Wow, it's the old school cards. They used to have them written on there when they printed them. All right, so there's all our little portraits we got there, and we got this bad boy right there in the center. Here's the rest of the cards. I'll let Mr. W go through them.
It's different because of the camera.
Yeah, I know, baby.
So we got another Hoskins that we pulled. Another Hoskins. The 1960s. The Home Run Challenge. And the Relic. And also the 2020. And Miguel Cabrera, 35 anniversary, 1985 to 2020.
All right, so that was that. Well, we'll go through the cards we currently have up in our personal collection. If there is any doubles, we will make sure they're up on the eBay page momentarily. If there's anything you personally would like to get added to your own collection, send me a DM over on our Instagram. Again, that's on the description as well. And that's it. So please, guys, thanks for stopping by. Come back again. Look
and we'll see
all these cards we got here. We got a lot to add into our trading card database tonight. And hit subscribe. That way you know when we do this again, because we will do it again. That's for sure.
We will definitely try to buy another one of these.
Oh, we'll definitely get in on some of those.
There's a packed one.
I know, I put that in there.